Test 6, Window 4, is 1-inch insulated glass made of two 1/4-inch thermally tempered lights with a 1/2-inch air gap and no protective film. The glass shatters, flies inward, and over 100 glass shards impact the back wall. Security condition 5. Test 6, Window 3, is 1-inch insulated glass, two 1/4-inch thermally tempered lights with a 1/2-inch air gap between them. 3M Ultra 600 film and a 4-sided batten bar are applied. As the window breaks, the film is completely retained in the frame. No glass lands inside the structure. Security condition 2. These independent tests conclude that the threat of injury due to flying glass can be greatly reduced with the use of 3M Scotch Shield security window films.